Hello everyone, welcome to interview preparation. If you are gearing up for a senior developer or a solution architect interview, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into the Strangler Fig Pattern, a must-know concept for modernizing legacy huge monolithic application without a hitch. Stay tuned, get ready to level up your interview game. Let's get started. What is Strangler Fig Pattern? The Strangler Fig Pattern derives its name from the Strangler Fig plant which grows around a host, eventually replacing it while allowing the original tree to remain standing until it is fully supplanted. In software development, this metaphor illustrates the gradual replacement of an outdated system with a new one, enabling organization to transition smoothly without disrupting the existing operation. This pattern is particularly useful in the environment where large monolithic systems are in place, as it allows the incremental updates and reduces the risk associated with the complete system rewrite. The Strangler Fig pattern is a strategic approach for gradually replace legacy systems with the new technologies, allowing organizations to modernize their application without risk associated with the complete overhaul. This video explores the Strangler Fig pattern's practical application, implementation steps, challenges, and case study to illustrate its effectiveness in real-world scenarios. When to apply Strangler Fig pattern? The Strangler Fig pattern is ideal in scenarios such as replacing large monolithic systems that are difficult to maintain and scale, refactoring outdated application that hinders business agility and innovation, transiting to microservices architecture from a monolith design. What are the benefits of Strangler Fig pattern? The primary benefit of using this pattern includes the gradual migration, allow for step-to-step approach, reducing the pressure of a complete system rewrite. It reduces the risk by incrementally replacing the components. Organization can migrate the risk associated with the large-scale changes. And the last is system stability. It maintains the system stability during the transition, ensuring that existing functionalities remain operational while the new features are introduced. Let's see the step-by-step implementation of the Strangler Fig pattern. First is identify the component to replace. Begin with the breaking down of the legacy system into manageable pieces. Identify which component or functionalities are outdated and prioritize them for the replacement. Next step is proxy the traffic. Implement a proxy or the routing layer that directs the traffic between the old and new components. This allows user to access both the system seamlessly during the transition. And the last step is incrementally replace the components. Gradually replace the functionality of the legacy system with the new code or service. Focus on one feature or module at a time, ensuring that each component is fully functional before moving on to the next. What are the challenges and consideration which we might to know for using Strangler Fig pattern? First is the technical depth. Managing technical debt is crucial during the transition. Organizations should prioritize refactoring efforts and ensure that new components are built with the best practice to avoid accumulating further debt. Next is data consistency. Maintaining data consistency between the old and new system can be challenging. Implement strategies to synchronize the data and ensure that both the systems reflect accurate information throughout the migration process. And the last is testing strategies and rollback. Establish robust testing and rollback strategies to ensure smooth transitions. Regularly test the new component and have a rollback plan in place to revert to the legacy system if issues arise. Let's see the case study. Here, we will consider a small e-commerce application. This e-commerce application is a legacy application that needs modernization. Using Strangler Fig pattern, The organization can start by identifying the key functionalities such as the product catalog. A new microservice can be developed for the catalog while existing system continues to handle the order and the payments. Now, traffic can be routed to the new services, allowing the gradual testing and the validation. This is how we migrate the legacy application using Strangler Fig Pattern. The key exercises to be performed while breaking the legacy system. First is refactor the small legacy system. Choose a simple legacy application identity or a specific feature to refactor by using Strangler Fig Pattern. And then introduce a new component as its counterpart. Add new functionalities to the old system without disrupting the current operations, ensuring that the legacy system remain operational during the transition. Here, you can see the pros and cons of the Strangler Fig pattern. It includes the potential complexity. It includes a careful planning when you are using Strangler Fig pattern, and also it is very time consuming process. But the pros are it minimizes the risk of operations where your system functionalities are working as it is. It also maintains the integrity and you can gradually modularize your legacy monolithic application. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Also check out these videos.